Well, we have found ourselves in Virginia. Why? Because, well, right now, that's where the criminal cop is at. And we're going to see what this one's been up to. Also, I would like to note 79% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Get your phone in your hand, get your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Chesterfield police officer resigns after being arrested. You don't say. Chesterfield police officer. Tip received about officer getting drugs in the mail. DEA task force picks up investigation. Officer's home was searched. Officer arrested and charged. Placed on administrative leave before resigning. Shocker, it is not. Police say a 40-year-old officer was charged with possession with intent to distribute an imitation substance. Alrighty. Chesterfield, Virginia. A Chesterfield Police Department officer has resigned after being arrested Friday. Last week, Chesterfield County Police Internal Affairs received a tip that a Chesterfield County police officer was having illegal drugs mailed to his home. CCPD personnel immediately contacted the Drug Enforcement Administration's Richmond District Office High Intensity Drug Trafficking Area Task Force. Holy fuck, can we get an acronym? Let's see. DEARDOHIDTAT. No, how about just Drug Enforcement Alphabet? Which began an investigation, the Chesterfield Police Department said. The Chesterfield Police Department said? I've never seen a police department talk before, but okay. The task force executed a search warrant at the officer's home this morning. Based on evidence recovered during the search, the officer was arrested and charged with possession with intent to distribute an imitation substance and conspiracy, police said. Let me guess, his whole thing's going to be, I didn't know. The officer, 40-year-old Lewis Hagen, he's the third apparently, was placed on administrative leave without pay. Police say Hagen offered a resignation with notice. However, his resignation was accepted by the department effective immediately, police said. So with notice means I'll resign, here's my 2-week notice, but they're like, no, you got to go now. Police Chief Colonel Frank Carpenter said he was extremely disappointed to share the news. This officer's alleged actions are unacceptable and do not reflect the values we have sworn to uphold in our oath of office, Carpenter said. At the same time, we are proud of every employee involved in this investigative process, and we remain committed to openly addressing breaches of the public trust and holding ourselves accountable. Please fucking stop. They hardly ever hold themselves accountable, and it's not until they have dug that ditch so far they can't get out of it that they start saying shit like this. Please stop. But wait. Could there be more to the story? There always is. Guess what? Chesterfield police officer's wife also arrested on drug charges. Who saw that coming? Everybody. Chesterfield, Virginia. The wife of a now former Chesterfield police officer is facing a series of drug charges. According to court records, TIFFANY Hagen was charged with drug possession as well as possession with intent to manufacture on the same day her husband Lewis Hagen was. This news comes days after her husband was arrested on Friday. He was arrested on May 16th after officers searched his home and is charged with possession and conspiracy. Hagen was placed on administrative leave before resigning. TIFFANY will go before a judge on Friday, May 23rd. We will keep an eye on that.
Court documents released Monday shared few new details in the case of the now former Chesterfield police officer and his wife arrested and charged.
Because they're hardly ever, this is supposed to be the follow-up. It is not. It's the same shit, different day.
Following a joint local and federal investigation. 40-year-old Lewis Hagen faces a drug possession and conspiracy charge, while his wife, 42-year-old TIFFANY Hagen, faces 3 drug possession related.
And yes, I would just like to note, that wind is kicking out there, so if it sounds like there's a damn hurricane passing by, it might be.
Related charges. All are felonies.
Well, it sounds like they acted really quickly upon a tip that they had.
Chesterfield police say they got a tip that an officer was having illegal drugs mailed to their home. They involved the Federal Drug Enforcement Administration.
I wonder who the tipster was. That would be interesting to know, because like did this cop like piss him off or something? I have to know how that went down.
Administration in the investigation.
Oh wait, I'll bet they didn't get their cut. and they figured out how to not be implicated in it.
Executed a search warrant on the Hagen's home in the Bexley neighborhood in Chesterfield Friday. This is CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone.
Involving the DEA, it was smart. It shows a transparency, getting it right out publicly and putting this information out publicly, I think shows transparency. All that is really important at this stage.
Police say Hagen was placed on unpaid administrative leave, but chose to resign instead, and it was accepted effective immediately. Chesterfield hasn't said how long Hagen was with the department or what units he served in, but several Facebook posts from the department show him involved with the K-9 unit.
2015,
Documents
we're going to get to
indicate
that.
husband and wife were released on $10,000 secured bonds. Stone says while they face a total of 5 charges between them at the moment, more could be filed as the investigation continues.
There's still a lot to yet be discovered, and I think the police probably don't even know all the answers at this point.
Now, we did reach the Hagens by phone today, but when the wife answered, she said they have no comment about these charges. Both have arraignment hearings set for Friday in General District Court. In Chesterfield, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.
Alrighty, and that will be, I'm guessing, we're in what? Shut up, phone. What the hell is today? I can't even keep up with the damn days. The kids get out of school, their last day of school. I can't, anyway, Friday. We'll keep a look on it. Also, let's see what the comments have to say. Oh, they turned the comments off. Of course they did. That's okay. Facebook always comes through. Chesterfield County Police. Help us welcome, now this is from 2015, and congratulate the newest K-9 Narcotics detective teams, Master Officer Lewis Hagen III and his partner, Kona, of the Chesterfield County Police Department, and Deputy Sheriff Michael Lewis and his partner, Walker of Caroline County, Virginia Sheriff's Office, local. Holy shit, none of that made sense. Anyway, here's some pictures. I'm guessing it's these, but this is the dumbass. A graduation ceremony was held today in Chesterfield County, and both law enforcement communities are excited to welcome their newest members. A huge thanks goes out to the countless volunteers that assist with the training of these officers and their partners, as well as the training staff. The partnership of several law enforcement departments creates our strong training staff, developing excellent K-9 teams. Thank you and congratulations. Wow. Who knew? Most likely most of them. This post didn't age well. Yes, like I said, this is from 2015. People found it pretty quickly. This is from 4 days ago. This post didn't age well. God bless you and thank you for your service. Please stop fucking thanking them. Quit acting like they're in the military. They're not. Congrats and thank you for protecting our community. They're not. Congrats. Kona is a beauty. Kona is a beauty. However, they need to take all them dogs away from all of them. Congratulations, Louie and Kona. Sound like somebody knows them. The best to both. Thank you for your service. What happened, Lewis? Yes, what happened? This is very good work. Stay safe and thank you for all that you do for the community. This must be a new one. Filtered out? No, I want to see all of them. I want to see most relevant. I want to see all of them. That bitch-ass cop is a drug dealer. What the fuck are you talking about? Now, let's not forget, this is from 9 years ago. This is 4 days ago. Sadly, this didn't age well. Damn shame, honestly. I have family in law enforcement. I know it doesn't pay enough. Stress is astronomical, but if you need help, just ask. Good luck and be safe out there. Thanks for your service. This is a drug dealer, right? It is. And Lewis Hagen gets busted for distributing imitation drugs. I know, right? The dog's real name. This dog was real confused around home, I bet. Yes, I bet you're right. That's lunatic. Congrats. Kona, congratulations. Go get him. Congrats, buddy. Excellent. Congrats. Be safe, puppy. Yes, please be safe. Handsome, both of you. Well, stay safe. Buena vida. Yay, Louie. Congrats, Louie. Why don't you finally do this? And this one just has some of my names down there. But yes, there you go. Turns out him and his wife are criminal enterprise. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 79% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You got your phone in your hand, your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.